Okay, so 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6, so we have 6 over 5. We're going to multiply that times this mixed number right here, but we have to convert it to an improper fraction as well. 10 times 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14, and that's 14 over 10. Now 6 times 14 is 84, and 5 times 10 is 50. Again, when you multiply straight across. All right, now 50 fits inside of 84 one time, and the remainder is going to be 34 out of 50. But in the problem, we're asked to write this in simplest terms. So we can see that 1 and 34 out of 50, well, that's the same thing as 1 and 2 times 17, right? And 50 is 2 times 25. I can cancel out my common factor, and I really have 1 and 17 out of 25. Give you 3 seconds to get that. Good. All right, next up, we're going to multiply the bottom, add the top. So we're going to have 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. The denominator stays the same. I'm going to multiply the bottom, add the top. 1 times 15 is 15, plus 5 is 20. Keep the bottom the same. Now, whenever you multiply fractions, you go through the keep, change, flip process. So we're going to keep it 5/3. Change it to multiplication, and last but not least, 20 over 15 is really 15 20ths after we flip it. Now we can multiply. 5 times 15 is 75. 3 times 20 is 60, and now we're going to convert it back to a mixed number. So 75 out of 60 is 1, because 60 fits inside of 75 one time, and then the remainder is 15 out of 60. But we still have to keep on factoring. This is really the same thing as 1, and 60, you could see that as 3 times 4 times 5. And the top, 15, is really just 3 times 5. And I can cancel the 3's, I can cancel 5 with 5. So really, I just have 1 and 1 over 4.